The gasket forms a seal between your drill's gearbox and the motor housing. Over time, the gasket can break down and fail. When this occurs, the drill might start to leak oil when it is stored. Replacing the gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the chuck. First, I'll remove the retaining screw. It's a reverse thread, so I'll turn it clockwise to remove it. With the retaining screw removed, now I can remove the chuck. To do that, I'll take a large Allen wrench and chuck it inside the chuck. I'll rotate the Allen wrench around so it's sitting just a little above level. Then I'll use a rubber mallet to quickly strike the Allen wrench, and the quick momentum will break the chuck free from the thread. Now I'll remove the gearbox assembly from the motor. Now I can install the new gasket. I'll pull the old gasket away from the gearbox and align the new gasket. I want to make sure it lines up with the alignment pins and that it's sitting flat all the way around. Now I can reinstall the gearbox to the motor. You may need to rotate the spindle a little bit to get the gears to align. And I'll secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the chuck. I'll thread the chuck onto the spindle and I'll place the Allen wrench back into it. I'll give the Allen wrench a tap just to make sure the chuck is tight. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the chuck retaining screw. Place it into the chuck and tighten it. And remember, it's reverse thread, so I'll tighten it counterclockwise. And that's how easy it is to install a new gasket on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.